in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change maps in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Maps in Hunter Call of the Wild are officially called reserves, and you will be able to switch between all of them at any point. You will see that there are lots of reserves. Some of these will be locked behind DLC, so keep that in mind, but you will still have plenty of reserves to access even if you don't own any DLC for the game. So, to change between any of these reserves, you will be able to do it while inside of a single player experience, so when you go inside of the game and you are already playing, or you can do it from the home screen. First, from the home screen, all that you have to do is choose Select Reserve. So instead of going over to Continue, choose Select Reserve. By doing this, you will be able to browse through all of them. So you will see the name at the top and then the description. So this one, for example, in the heart of Europe, it is a large hunting reserve with a predominant mix of deciduous beech and aspen forests surrounding rolling hills and farmlands. You can read the description, and once you select one of them, it is going to be reflected in game. So you just choose the option to continue after selecting it, and you will be able to play on that reserve. If you are already inside of the game, you can open up the map, and by pressing H if you are on PC, you will be able to switch it. If you are on console, then just look at the button displayed here, toggle reserve selection, and once again this will do the exact same thing. So you will see the map and you can choose which reserve you want to go into. So select any of the reserves available in here and immediately you go into them. You shouldn't lose any progress while doing this, so choose the option to select reserve and then log in. You will load in immediately on the new map. You can see the outposts, see all of the hunting places, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to change maps in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.